Tool lots, reliable equipment, fast.
Hey guys, if you have a lot of green waste to clean up from your backyard, or you have a bunch of branches or twigs to clean up, so here we have a choice here. So you can have, say, this little compact chipper. It can handle most of the green waste from your yard. This unit is powered by 8.5 horsepower gasoline engine. Here you see this hopper, and you put all the green waste into this hopper, and it will be dragged automatically and turn all of them into chips. Well, clean work is done. We have got a very nice chips. Look at these chips. And you can do a lot of choices. Like you can compose them, or you can just do the mulching or your garden. Compost mulching. What a modern life you have. Thank you.
Tool lots, reliable